Oh, I love this time of year. The sun is shining right in my eyeball. It's great. Absolutely great. I've been doing some outside stuff yesterday and today. Be around here and we'll take a look at it. First thing I did was start to strip all this paint off the front of this. When I got it, it had a white line down to here. And I painted that red initially. And I didn't like it, so then I painted all the way down past this strip down here. But I haven't really liked it. I've been looking at some buses and seeing the front end where they polish them. I'm thinking this is looking a lot better. Still have the blue looks like the Greyhound blue that was in here. But from what I could tell in the pictures, Greyhound never painted the front end blue. They kept it all, you know, stainless or aluminum, whatever it may be. So I've still got some more work to get this stuff off right here. You can see outlines of old decals and stuff. But been working on that. And I've started on plumbing. Nice. Once I get it all plumbed up, I'll do a video of just how I did it, roughly. Pretty cut and dry. Pipe comes down. That's your coming from the toilet. Toilet sitting right above it. Right tank is your waste tank. Left tank is your gray water. Doesn't matter to me if I combine them or if I have them separate. I just chose to do it this way just for ease of using two drums. Now, the exciting news is right here in front of me. This thing's beautiful. I'm talking absolutely beautiful. Let's turn this bad boy around. Oh, look at that. A 1981 Terry Taurus. Friggin' spectacular. And I'm sure you're saying, David, why is it that you have this beautiful piece of machinery right here? Hot water heater. May work, may not. All the water stuff's in there. The pump, the filter, another filter back there. It's all there. The windows I won't use, of course. Propane regulators are all good. Propane tanks, not so good, but I can make them work. This thing's actually collapsed a lot on the drive home. Fortunately, I only had to go 15 miles or so. But it's collapsed enough now, the door won't even close. Which it did close when I got it. Now listen, I don't want you all to be overly jealous when I open this. Oh, rot. So sad. Now, as the wife said, yes, this looks like a piece of junk. But, boom, my stove, microwave, sink, tub with faucet, furnace, water tanks back there, maybe a side of tetanus. It's hard to say. Obviously, none of the lights will get used. I mean, look at that wallpaper. Man, that stuff is absolutely spectacular. Won't be using any of this, I don't think. I wonder how they got the couch in here. wonder what kind of awesomeness I'll find up here. Huh. I'm just saying that sometimes a camper like this, while obviously falling apart, is of spectacular awesomeness. Threads. Do a little sew action. Now, I mean, even stupid stuff like the heater vents, that crap adds up, and it's ridiculous what it costs. And I am not above using used equipment. It's dirty, it's not rust. You gotta love duct tape. It's all dirt, not rust. Definitely moldy. But, you know, don't hesitate or be scared buying one of these junk campers. I've had my bus, what, almost a year now? Yeah, almost a year. And I came across this one. And it, man, it's amazing how much the ceiling's collapsed. Just to drive home. But $225 is what I gave for this, and I am just stupid excited. It was close to the house, 15-minute drive, and it's got pretty much everything I should need to finish appliance wise. I don't know if I'm going to use that hot water heater. Like I say, I might, I don't know. Other options are to scrap this bad boy when it's done, or list it up and get a couple $100 for the frame. It's got an extremely good trailer frame underneath of it. It's all 2x6 steel. I may actually end up keeping that and making a trailer. I've been looking for a little bit longer trailer. But that's kind of where I am today. I guess I'll be tearing this apart and finishing up plumbing over the next week or so. And where are we? Almost towards the end of March. So I've got 2 months before our trip planned. So I better get to getting. I still got a lot done, but I got a lot left to do. I hope the AC works in here. I don't think it does, but maybe if I'm lucky, it will. I'm not counting on that. The stove was the main reason I purchased this thing. The tanks, I don't think I'll be using any of them. I'm gonna check the water tank and see how many gallons it is. If it's close to 80, I may be using it instead of the ones I got. But like I say, that's kind of where we are today, and just wanted to share this gem of a mold infested, top quality parts camper. You guys be safe out there, and we'll catch you next time.